In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card as a payment method on your Shopify store. Now, this is a crucial step for any online business owner who wants to provide customers with a seamless shopping experience, and I'm here to guide you through it smoothly. Let's get started. First, take a moment to log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to open up a world of customizable features for your online store. But right now, we're going to focus specifically on payments. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look over to the left panel and select Payments. This section is where you'll manage all aspects of how you collect payments from your customers. You'll see options relevant to different payment methods, which can cater to various customer preferences. Understanding the payment options you can offer is key to enhancing the overall shopping experience on your platform. Inside the Payment section, you'll notice an option that says Add Payment Method. Click on this, and it initiates the process of incorporating a new payment method. Once you've clicked, a world of possibilities opens up before you, allowing you to search for your desired payment method. In this case, we're focusing specifically on credit card payment methods. Customers prefer using credit cards due to their convenience and the security features they offer while shopping online. By integrating credit card payments, you're significantly widening your potential customer base. After you search for the credit card payment method, a list of available payment method providers will be displayed. These providers are companies that facilitate the processing of credit card payments. Examples might include well-known names that are widely recognized and trusted. Choose the one that best fits your business needs and geographical location to ensure the smoothest possible transaction process for both you and your customers. Remember, once you've selected your preferred payment provider, you'll need to follow any additional instructions they might have for setting up the service. These will ensure that the payment method is fully integrated and functional on your store. With this setup, you're good to go, and customers visiting your store will have the option to pay using their credit cards. This functionality not only enhances their purchasing experience, but also supports your business growth by catering to a broad audience. And that's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added a credit card payment method to your Shopify store, opening up new opportunities for sales and customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you today. If you have any more questions or need further help, feel free to reach out or check out more of our videos. Happy selling!